Franca Franci and Fabio Tassi. Brunello Tassi 2016 is one of those old school style Brunellos produced in a modern way, if you want. The winery was put together in 1967. What a great year to begin a venture. One of the greatest vintages in Italy overall, and above all in Montalcino. Fantastic wines. Now, look at this wine. It comes from 3 different kind of soils. The Tassi terreno, the Franci terreno, the Colombaio terreno. They're all very different. One is rocky for structure, the other one is sandier for complexity and aromatics, and then Colombaio is more of a seabed for salty bites. 3 years of Slavonian oak aging. I love this kind of farmyardy with rhubarb, lots of roots, lots of bay leaf just before you pick it off the plant, some licorice I'm getting, red fruit like mountain strawberries. Guys, 2016 vintage is gonna rock the world because it's got tension, acidity, minerality, and juiciness like a river of energy.